Hey guys, welcome back. I'm really excited to bring you the unboxing of Xiaomi Poco F1. A slight disclaimer here: this unboxing video has not been made by me, and in fact, it's been made by somebody else. I have their explicit permission to use this video of unboxing of Poco phone. So I'll be sharing this video with you. However, what I can definitely do is also add on all the features and the expected price that it's going to be launched at in India. So the Xiaomi Poco F1, it's going to be launched with Snapdragon 845 chipset with Adreno 630 GPU. It has a liquid cool technology, which will basically, they say it facilitates heat dissipation. So what it, in layman terms, it basically means is that your phone shouldn't become all that hot after continuous usage. Battery life, yes, they have a 4000 mAh battery, so it should deliver all day juice for you guys, for you heavy gamers or heavy video watchers. Uh, it has a quick charge 3.0 that for fast charging. It's updated, it's 3.0 version, so that should really help us out. So the standard model, it comes with 8 GB RAM and up to 256 built-in storage, and support for 256 extra micro SD card support, and that's in hybrid combination. Needless to say, it is 4G plus standard. It has a poly coated carbonate body. I'll just show you. This looks like the standard warranty, etc. The paraphils that they do put in, which none of us actually do read, but nonetheless, it's all there in the phone. The colors that it comes in are steel blue, graphite black, and Rosso red color. Rosso red. Who came up with the term Rosso? I mean, they could just said red. But then again, steel blue, graphite black, Rosso red, or rose red. I don't know. So you have extra cover case, protector, a silicone protector, basically cover case. Okay, it also has a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera setup on the back with dual pixel technology. So it has a dual camera setup on the back. On the front, for your selfie lovers and all, it has a 20 megapixel with HDR. Okay, now that is something nice with HDR they're providing on the front. That is something really, I'm looking forward to this one, guys, because the price is starting at 21,000. It's actually technically 20,999 rupees, but it is 21,000 here. So it starts from there, and then as and when, depending on the configuration that you buy, depending on this thing, that really this thing. So all standard accessories are included, your earphones, your chargers, etc, blah 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 blah. It comes in every phone. All those pamphlets, the earphones, the an extra cover. So I don't really need this. It looks quite nice. It looks quite slim. It holds steadily in the hand, basically. And the biggest thing is that it's basically coming with 4000 mAh battery with a 20 megapixel front selfie camera with HDR and a dual camera at the back as well. Samsung, where are you? Are you seeing this? I mean, come on, yaar. These guys are practically from your own backyards and they are like beating you at your own game. Your Note 9 that you've launched, it's like 65,000 bucks if I'm not wrong, somewhere around that. It starts from there. And this phone practically has all that. It has an infrared light, guys, so that should help the face unlocking in dark or at night rather. Even their user interface, they've really upgraded their user interface. So this time it's their MIUI 9 version. So with a dedicated launcher, Google search bar at the bottom. I'm just actually reading out the specs as they are unrolling on my phone. Okay, it has Android 8.1 Oreo and Android Pie will be shipped in the fourth quarter of 2018. That means that Android Pie will be shipped in October, November, December of this year. Security updates will be delivered every month. Okay, this is going to be manufactured in India. Now this is big. Okay, this is a big thing. It is going to be manufactured in India and it's going to compete against OnePlus 6, which is, I personally believe, quite a overpriced phone and does not really deserve all the hype that it's getting. Anyway, more on that later. Okay, price specs. So it's 21,000 for the 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. If you upgrade the internal storage from 64GB to 128GB, it will cost you 24,000. And their highest spec, that is the 8GB RAM with their 256GB built-in storage, that's going to be priced at 29,000 bucks. Then you have a armored edition model, same high specs of 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. For that it's 30,000 bucks. You can buy it on HDFC credit cards and debit cards, get a flat 1,000 bucks discount. Jio has additional data and cashback. So data, you will be getting 6 TB of additional data and cashback worth 8,000 bucks from Jio. Okay, it's going to be launched on Flipkart as well as my.com. First sale to be held on August 29th at 12 PM. So stay tuned, guys. Go right ahead, order it on Flipkart, because frankly for 21,000 rupees, it's an awesome phone. I personally like the Apple type notch and the 4000 mAh battery that I'm getting. Do subscribe if you like this video and if you want to stay updated for more. Please go ahead, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a dislike, subscribe. Please do interact. Adios.